Iselena, please stop fidgeting. Iselena, please stop fidgeting. Isa, don't fidget. Here now is a special item of news from the BBC newsroom. The following celebrities have chosen to endorse the maintenance slogan for the LDS Humanitarian Center.
Don't fidget with your digits, wear your gloves.
Don't fidget with your digits. Wear your gloves, son.
Don't fidget with your digits, wear your gloves.
I know what you're thinking. Did he put on 2 gloves or only 1 glove? Well, tell you the truth, in all this excitement, I kinda lost track myself. But being how that's a 40 by 48 pallet, and one of the woodiest pallets in the world, and could put a splinter clean into your hand, you gotta ask yourself one question. Do you feel lucky? Well, do ya, punk? Don't fidget with your digits, wear your gloves.
Yo, don't fidget with your digits, wear your gloves.
Gloves. Safety gloves. Don't fidget with your digits. Wear your gloves.
Don't fidget with your digits, wear your gloves.
Don't fidget with your digits, wear your gloves.
You want to know how I got these scars? Well, let me tell you. I noticed that when things go according to plan, nobody notices because it's all part of the plan. But then one time, I left off one little old glove, and everybody loses their minds, and I lose a finger. Don't fidget with your digits. Wear your gloves.
Don't fidget with your digits. Wear your gloves.
Teolani, please stop fidgeting. Thank you.